I'm entitled to a full lane if you are in violation of the law when you honk at me. Just wanted to get your face on camera for the cops. What was that now?
What do you think you are, man? You can't just, don't lean on my car.
I'm not leaning on your car.
Okay, well, why don't you just ride on the sidewalk and get out of the
Because
street?
it's illegal to ride on the sidewalk.
It is not.
It is too. I have the statutory language right here. I'm actually going to need you to pull over because I'm making a citizen's arrest because you passed me illegally closely.
Now, let me just tell you something.
If you leave now, you're resisting arrest. You need to pull over so I can call the cops.
I know you must be joking, but let me tell you this.
The law says you have to give me 3 feet when you pass, and you did not do that. And it's on
right in the
video.
middle of the street, though.
That's a ticketable offense. I'm allowed to ride in the street.
Oh, you are?
Yes.
Okay, well, see, here's my problem. When you're in the street, I have to try to get over and merge, and
Right.
therefore there's traffic over there.
Yeah, what if there was a slow-moving car? You'd still have to do the same thing.
Well, yeah, but I have to look out for you and the traffic, which
Right.
is a car.
So you
You're a
brake and
bicycle.
then you turn when you have a chance.
The Midway Greenway is 1 block over.
I know, but I'm choosing to ride on Lake Street. You're in the bike lane, ma'am.
I gotta park though.
Okay, you're parking right now?
No, I'm flying my wings.
Okay.
Get away from me.
I'm just saying it's
Get
illegal.
Away from me.
It's
Get
illegal
away.
to park in the bike lane.
Get away from me. Call the police. Do whatever you want to do, but just get away from me.
All
Don't
right.
talk to me right now.
681 DMB.